Guys, manghuli ako ng isda ha. Paano ang huli? Ganito lang oh. Bully na. Grabe. You got big one? I put the small one. Hindi. Yan, dami oh. Dawa. Sana. Grabe. Grabe. Yeah, big tamba no. Tapos, daming huli namin guys. Ayan na naman sila oh. See? Grabe. Bulinaw ha. Sa Bisaya, we call this one bulinaw. Yeah, in Tagalog, dilis. Grabing isda guys. Ito na naman oh. See? Grabe. Saan pa kayo? Ay. Grabe. Ay, sorry. Decide. Nothing. Dito sila lahat, oh. Grabe. Para, wait. Grabing tamban dito, oh. Yeah. Ang fry, hinahabol sa tamban. Oh, grabe. Papa, tamban, oh. I scared the lights. See, look at that, Yun, tamban is coming. See, tamban is coming. No, they coming now. Grabe yung tamban. Oh, nagsintalo na, no? Ha? No, enough. We come back tomorrow. Or win.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. No, wait.
Yeah. Oh, grabe yung tamban, oh. Nagsintalo na ng mga tamban. Grabe, oh. Yung tumatalon-talon, ang dami sa ilalim niyan. Mga 10 tons, sobra pa. Hanggang dulo yun. Yeah. Dami niyan, no? Kasi ang kinukuha ko, nandito lang ako sa tabi-tabi, oh. Tingnan mo, mga bulinaw, oh. See? Oh, yan ang huli ko na, ano, bulinaw, dilis, mga 1 kilo.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 times this one.
See?
Oh, this one too much.
The tamban is coming, oh. See, look at the tamban. What happened is, wait, jumping.
Hey, throw net lah.
Huh? Throw net. That side.
Oh, see, too much, is it?
Yeah, throw the net.
Sayang, oh.
Sayang ah. Yeah, small. I pick this. Grabe. Oh. Grabe yung bulinaw. Dami, oh. See? Or maybe because a lot of fry. Grabe yung tamban, guys. So, hanggang doon, oh. Sintalunan ng tamban. Grabe yung tamban. Dami. Grabe yung tamban. Okay, come on. Throw the net. Let's do this. So kung muulan, walang problema. Nasa ilalim ng tulay kami. Ang daming huli, oh. Bayaan ko lang maya. Daming tamban. Kuwan ko bakit nasintalunan yan.
Come on, baby. No good.
Grabe yung bulinaw. Yan lang, oh. Tama mo, ganyan yung huli ko. Isang salo ko lang. Maybe you got? Yes, too much, ah. A lot.
Big one, no? Big one, no, no. No, big one coming.
That's the jumping, ah.
Oh, see? No good, no, too much. Yeah, too much.
Ah,
No good ah.
wait. We open the... Grabe. Ang lalaki yung tamban.
Big one, kami na, big one.
No, we open the... Oh, grabe. Sure, ang bigat na huli namin, guys. Dami na to, guys. Isa-isa ko lang ipasok to. Dami. Sawa na naman sa kain sa isda dito. Grabe, oh. Oh, lalaki pa naman. Ibinta ko to sa Sapanding, ah. Hintay kayo dyan. Ibinta tayo ng isda. Dami. Oh, you got? You got? Here, put here. Grabe. Daming tamban, no? Nagsintalunan kasi.
No, come on.
Grabe. Whew. Daming huli namin. Parang nagsawa na ako nito, ah. Tamban. Daming tamban, guys. Kunin na to lahat kay sayang ba. Sakit sa likod, oy. Gat. Small. I throw the small or you use this for the bait?
Okay, for the bit.
Okay. Grabe. Grabe, guys. Andyan na naman ang maliliit, oh. Kunin ko na naman itong maliliit. Nandito. Kita ko. Dami nila. Ito, oh. Grabe. Ilagay ko lang sila diyan. Kukunin namin. Ito yung maliliit, oh. Grabe. Grabe. Ganito pang huli ng isda. Ayyo. Grabe, oh. So makikita ko kasi sila pag nagkumpul-kumpul na tulad yan, kumukumpul na yan. Atras muna ako. Kumpul-kumpul, kumpul na naman sila. See? Grabe.
I want to maybe tomorrow I will some cut fly.
Here. Side by side, guys. Oh. Grabe. Ito, ang dami, oh. Di, ang mga bulinaw kasi kinakain ng tamban. Dami, oh. Pati sila naguguluhan. Kaya yung huli ko. Ang dami dun, oh.
Very good sign.
Ito, oh. Ito sila, oh. Enough. Dito na naman. Dami. Grabe. Ito ang pinakadami. Ha? Oh, Bas. Pick the small, ah. We pick all the small one.
Yeah, I want to pick this one important.
Yeah, for the bait.
Now you know how to get
Grabe. Yes. So yan, oh, nakikita ko, nagkumpul na naman. Tirahin na naman natin ang ganito. Ay, kunti lang, ah. Pailalim sila, eh. Dito tayo, kabila. Yun. Here. Grabe. Ganito, magsawa kasi isda. Oh, grabe. Dilis. Oh, grabe yung tamban, oh. Tintalunan sila. Ayun, dami. Ito mo, ah. Tayo ko. Oh. Oh. Nasalo ko lang. Yan, lalagay namin dyan. Makikita mo kasi nagkumpulan, dami nila. Kasi nga, inahabol sila sa tamban. Oh. Oh. Enough. Enough. Whew. Next time again. Grabe, ang dami isda. Yeah. So naisip ko, itong isda na to, pag nasa Pilipinas pa to, durog na. Durog na, dami kong nahuli oh. Ito naman tayo, dito na naman sila. Papa. Oh, see? One time.
Ay, too much. This one 10 times too much already.
See? Makita ko silang nagkumpulan. Kasi nga, inahabol sila
Hey,
ng...
better we take picture before to Roberto.
Grabe. Gilid lang oh. Para lang akong... Yun oh. Yung pa oh. Nahabol kasi sila eh. Ang daming tamban oh. Nahabol sila ng tamban. Ang dami ko ng huli oh. Dami ko ng huli. Pero kunin namin lahat yan oh. Gayong mag-alala. Hindi namin sasayangan yan. Kasi gawin namin bait. Nandito na naman sila. Oh. Grabe guys. May 1 kilo na yan. Hinahabol kasi sila sa tamban. Kaya kumpulan sila ito.
Push!
Masa?
You say use hand also.
Yeah.
Too much.
Enough. Ah.
No, Romeo, we need to 2 people taking like this one.
Enough. Next time again. Oh, grabe ang tamban, no? Dami talaga. Nalalaki pa naman ang mga tamban. Ito na. Help you. Too much, oh.
I cannot like this one. My finger like it.
Ang dami. So gamitin naming ano to, pamain. We use for the bait this.
Yes.
All this.
Matang baka.
Matambaka is coming also next.
Hasu.
Hasa-hasa.
Asa, sorry. Asa ma.
Hasa-hasa. Dami. We need to take all this because sayang man. If we leave this
Over
one.
1 kilo plus already.
More than. So I use only the plastic. Now I know. If we use the musket, the musket screen, then we improvise
You know
the
the
big
last
one,
time,
so we can scoop.
I do one the net one.
We can scoop.
Even the potato one also can.
Yeah. We scoop the dip.
Yeah. Oh no.
We
You know
scoop the dipper.
The shower cap. Huh? Maybe tomorrow we go find. You know the.
Daming huling tamban namin guys, ang dami. Daming tamban. Yun oh, mabigat na oh. Grabe oh.
How many? 10 kilo na?
More.
Huh?
More, see? Ang bigat na. Okay, through the net. Through the net. Come on. Let's go, tamban. Grabe. LC.
There's too much.
Daming tamban guys.
Oh, too much also.
Got?
Yeah, you see. Big one, no?
Big oh. Got big, yeah. Come on. Here. Yeah, release. That's not bad. Oh, see? Ayaw na huminto ng kasama ko guys.
See, it's a good, huh?
Gustong gusto na niya mag-fishing. Tamban guys. So actually, marami-rami na talaga to. Huli namin, preskong-presko to. Ganito kami manghuli ng isda. Okay, oh, ang dami yan. Okay. Yun. Oh, daming bulinaw, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Makuha lang sa kamay. I try to catch the fry. Yeah, too much fry. Grabe.
Uy. Open for you. I want to catch the fire now.
No, fry is coming.
Okay, tambang na.
Alright, so slowly ah. Careful. Yun na stuck. Ah, yeah. Stuck yung net namin. So I think nakakahuli ng marami yun. Ng tamban, daming tamban. Have tamban, no? Maybe zero ah.
I stand here.
Huh? Yeah, but close the light. Dami ng huli namin. Maybe enough? Maybe enough.
Maybe to catch, don't need to.
Huh?
To
Don't it?
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
No, because I want to fry. I imported this one.
Oh, yep.
Tomorrow I should check wait,
Big. Dami.
Robin, give me two.
So careful.
I slowly touch the
Sometimes a lot of help, no much.
maybe one more net. One more.
Lights.
Robin, last one.
Huh?
But this one no enough or this one?
Ah, enough.
Huh?
Enough. You can use this. No problem this one. Yeah.
Then we use this one, the small
small one also. Keep the small.
We
Ah, so ginaganahan yung kasama ko guys. Too much guys. Ayaw nang umuwi. Okay. Tamban, no? Daming tamban guys. Daming isda. Grabe. Ito ako. Grabe. Yeah. Pamamagitan lang ng sibot. Ito lang yung panghuli ko. Eh, small here. See? Dumami na yan. Marami-rami na yan dyan. Ang dami kinakain sa tamban dito. See, look at that. Tamban. Oh, see? Big tamban, oh. Ah, grabe. Ang daming tamban. Coming? Where?
No.
White Grant?
Very big.
Eh, we take this one.
This one can kain?
Yeah. Kain. Small grouper. Small grouper. Yeah, put here. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Moving. Yeah, he follow. Don't need to go far, see? Alat tamba, no? Yun. See? See? Oh. Ah, ito. Grabe. Daming tamban. Ang lalaki. Yan sila, oh. Dami, oh. There. Jumping, oh. Yes. See, look at that. Dorado it. Move. Move your line. See? See? Maybe it No? Ito ako sa mga fry. Pick the fry. Here, tamban too much, oh. Abangan natin yung tamban. Dami dito eh. Nakain nila yung bulinaw. Daming tamban, oh. Ito na naman ako. Ayun. Ito na naman sila, oh. Wow. Wow. Saan yun, oh? Sabi. Dami na yan. So timingan ko lang yung kumpol nila. Saan sila nagkumpol-kumpol. Doon ko sila babanatan. Ito na naman. Mulit dito. Papa, use the net, Papa. Tamban is here, oh. Too much, oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Moving. You got it? Wait. Okay. How many? How many? Dalawang tamban, ah. Dalawa, ah.
No, one tambang, one jump. See, already big.
Yeah.
Almost big already.
Big tamban, ah. See? Malaking tamban, oh. Oh. Pinakamalaking tamban, oh.
Later, bigger.
Yeah. Careful that side, ah. Small fish. So ngayon, nasisilip ko na naman. Nandito na naman sila. So biglain ko na naman sa sibot ko. Pamagitan ng ganito. Uy, kunti lang nakuha ko. So I got...
But this side okay already,
Yeah.
Tama.
Nasa ilalim kasi sila, eh. Yun. Grabe. Ganito ka dami ang isda. Grabe, presko mga isda, oh. Nagsintalunan, oh. Yun na naman sila, oh. Tayin ko na lang tong lights ko. Yan ka lang muna. So, yan yung madilim, ha. Yun. So, at least makita ko naman sa aking mga mata. So, ito, marami. Dito tayo banda. Coming, ah. Pumapailalim. One tamban. Just one. It's good. It's good.
One time 4-5.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I really enjoy this kinds of fishing, ah. Siya, pipishing. Ako, gamit yung sibot. Ito naman sila. Yun. Sa Pilipinas, ang hirap hulihin ito. But dito, sa island, I told you, no need to throw in far. See? Tamban, no good, ah. He ate the small fry. That's why the fry is moving. Here, oh, big tamban.
No.
Oh yeah, don't throw. Yeah, just like that. It's coming, no? Don't throw far, Papa. Stuck.
I got the tambang.
Big tamban again, oh.
But one.
Yeah, it's okay. Wait. Dumami na. Dumami ng huli.
Ito not a big.
Ha?
Double this one.
See? Look at that. That's bigger. The small, nawala yung mga maliliit dito. Kinakain ng tamban. See, look at them. Only here, through here. Yeah.
And
The price mo.
this one,
See? Tamban is here. Don't to.
Oh, I thought you like it.
Sabi. Lapit dito. Malapit, daming is. Ha? Jumping? Yun maraming tamban. At least nakahuli kami ng marami-raming tamban. Nagsintalo na, no? Yun. Just one? Or two? Laking tamban na naman.
Someone stuck here because first they scare. They not familiar thing one. They don't.
Yeah.
They want to like.
Laking tamban.
Eat already. Later you see one.
Dumami yung tamban namin. Nawawala na yung mga fry. Pumunta na dun sa malayo-layo. Kinakain ng tamban. Daming tamban dito. Kaya natatakot yung fry. Marami akong nahuhuli din, Yan. Kunin namin yan mamaya. Lagay ko lang dyan. Hindi na ako gagamit ng lights. Maraming isda dito. Hinahanap ko yung sa tamban ni Sir, Ha? The small one? Where?
Tambang already.
Ha?
Tambang already. Mosquito.
Now? You got? Oh, big tamban,
Ay, no.
What's that? Lapu-lapu? Ha? What's that? Laking tamban,
Hey, white green. Why so big?
White grand? That's good. Put there. Fun. Yeah. Di ko siya gagamitan ng lights kasi sintakbuhan Yun. Pampabilisan lang. So, first time kong sumama dito na namingwit. Pero although, palagi naman kami dumadaan dito. Pero first time kong sumama sa kanya na namingwit. Hindi ko akalain na napakadami pala. So, yun. At nag-i-enjoy ako. So, sana noorin yung mga video namin dito. Dahil napakadaming isda talaga. At talagang mapapawaw ka. Yan. So, thank you so much. Yun, tapo na siya na naman. Tingnan natin. Nandun na naman, palayo. Relax muna ako. Napagod ako. Napakadami. So, ganito yung island ng Bermuda. Napakadaming isda. Nasa dagat ako. Pero ito yung ginagamit ko. Ano to? Ha? Napakalupit, no? Dami. Nakakita nyo, ang dami nila. Tingnan nyo, dami nila. Yun, Baba. See? No, the small one. Use the net. Yun. Dami, Kita nyo yan, Kita nyo. Grabe. Dami nila, Ilapit kayo dito sa ilaw ko. Dami, Dito ako. Diyan sila, nagkumpul, Dami, Sana lalapit sila dito. Yan. Sana lalapit sila sa light. Ayan na, Ayan na sila, Yan, Pag pinalas tayo, gano'n, takbo sila. Takbo sila dito. So, dito sa gilid, padamihin. Kakainin din pala sila. Kaya pag dumami sila ngayon dito sa gilid, kukunin ko na lang sila. Ayan na sila oh. Ayan oh, ang dami oh. Daming isda. Uy! Bukya ko ah. Yan lang. Yan lang na sila. Daming tamban.
Is this sardines or fish?
Ah, sardines. Small one. So, di ko sila lagyan ng lights. Kasi pag lagyan ko ng lights, tanakbo sila. So, yun. Mabuti walang lights. Tapos makikita ko naman sila eh. Yun oh. Yun oh, dumami sila. Ang dami oh. Ang dami nila. So kung matimingan mo lang yan oh. Hagisan mo ng net. Dami. So silipin ko na lang. Hindi ko...
Okay, I'll try now first.
So ilagay ko muna tong ilaw ko dito. Hindi ako gagamit. Wait. Ha?
Did I stop the fish?
Yeah. Hindi ako gagamit ng ilaw. Dito. Tingnan ko lang oh. Kasi masilip ko sila. Dito sila oh. Yun. Pag may ilaw, mas ano sila. Why very far? Ang dami nila oh. Pero pipiliin kong walang ilaw para lumapit sila dito sa akin sa gilid. Ang dami nila oh. Yun. Ito, ipunin ko lang sila. So, ilagay ko lang siya dyan para makikita ninyo ano yung nahuhuli ko. Ganyan lang siya kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng dalhin dito. So at least dito ako para makita ko kung piniilawan ko kasi malayo yung mga maliliit. Oh, yun oh. Oh, diba? Diba? Dami. Yun. Oh, wow. Tamban, big tamban.
Later one time 451.
Ah, it's coming, right?
He still don't want to eat it.
Big tamban and big fish. Oh, very fresh. Sabiki. Uy, wow. You got it.
Yes, sir.
Uy.
I don't know. Take, open the net.
Wait, come. Here, slowly. No problem. Bring here. Bring here. No, later. Bring that.
You open this one, you hold it.
Wow.
This one, put down. I told you. This one, like,
Ah.
open.
Ah.
You, you open,
Huh?
put down.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, put inside. Little bit this guy. Oh, yaman.
Wow.
Pumat.
Oh.
You see or not?
Look at that.
Later I use sabagi.
Look at that.
One net only, ah.
Wow. A lot deep here. No, put in there. At the back.
Open again.
Again.
We need to. He run away.
See, wait. No, I find which. Not here. Here. Coming back. He's coming back. Here, oh. Oh, maybe to put the lights. Oh, see? Tingnan nyo. Huhulihin ko yan mamaya. Ang dami. Grabe. No, the small one. The tamban is here, oh. See, look at that. The small one. That side. Fire. Oh, very far, ah. think you got. Yeah.
No,
It's raining?
no.
No, you have. You have. You got. But not much. Okay.
Yeah, 5, 4 is okay.
It's okay.
7, 10, no.
No
Oh, I throw
problem.
it, it's just collect, huh?
Yeah. Just like that. And I collect. Oh. Careful, ah.
4, 5, it's okay. One time 4, 5 also wala. Mas mo, Okay. No, you take a rest. We take a rest for a while. Let me come a lot.
No, it's better we pit.
I put the nothing.
No, it's better we pit. Ha? Dami. Pero mamaya ito, titirahin ko to mamaya, oh. Dami, oh. Ayan, sa gilid-gilid lang, oh. Ngayon, oh.
Just the small thing. Location.
Yes. There.
Tambang?
Just like that lah. Then after, now, see? Wait. Oh, see? Now. No, use your net.
Oh, really? You saw?
Coming.
I don't think that.
Who's coming later?
Oh, too much bottom, you see?
Then the bottom. Just like that. Wait. Then until coming. Then there, oh.
Yeah, tambang?
Go. See, jumping. Oh. Or maybe he scared the lights or what?
No, he get that. No, he did the light, but he just direct his scared. Okay? You saw?
Grabe, ang dami ba eh. Dami. Dito kami sa ilalim ng tulay.
Sa last time, it's like,
No. This one, I
you
tried.
want the big one, I use the big one. Only
Yeah.
big one I can do. But it's okay.
Later, I will take this. The small one, see? Lat. See? It's here. It's here again. Yeah. Grabe.
Oi! Line throw also have it.
You got? Yeah.
2, 3.
Grabe.
This one
Dami.
no good,
So,
oh, yeah. This one
yes.
no good.
What's that?
Is it?
You got one.
No, 2.
Dami, grabe. So, hindi ako makapaniwala na ganito kadami yung fish. So, nandito kami sa ilalim ng tulay. Because a little bit raining.
Good, huh?
Yung ulan-ulan.
Later, if raining, we just hide.
So, yeah, see. Look at that. Later, I will take all of it. Yeah.
Here you go. No.
Wow. Wow.
Good? That's it. That's it.
Dahil sa sobrang presko, di ko maiwasang kainin diretso. Kundi ko isali yung ulo. Tingnan nyo. Oh, grabe.
I catch big one. Better catch big one. Huh?
Wow. Gamitin namin to sa bait next time. Pero kailangan kong damihan. So nasa ilalim na kasi sila, yung tamban, oh. Ito. Pero at least, sa ganitong paraan, tingnan nyo. Oh, ganyang paraan, makukuha nyo sila. Tingnan nyo, oh. Sa Pilipinas, hindi tayo makahuling ganito. Dito para lang akong naglalaro. Nalapit sila sa ilaw kasi. So lagyan ko ng ilaw para hindi, oh, marami pero nasa ilalim na. Baba. Isir, tamban, oh. This area. And hiran. Meron dito, tamban.
One time 3, one time 7, 8, 10.
I put this one, we pick later. Grabe. Sinisibot ko lang. But very fast run. Grabe. Just like this, ah.
Just like that,
Little bit we pick up. Yeah. See, the tamban is here too much, ah. They're here, very near. Oh. Then run. Grabe, nakakaaliw. Oh, malaki, oh. Tamban malaki. Ayaw, go very far. Here, oh. Too much, oh. Then run. No, marami dito. So, ang bilis nila. You got? How many? That's good. 3. That's good. Not bad. Yo, sa Biki pa ba?
Sabi kikip na. You want the big one right now?
Ito lang ako. Ito lang ako. Hey, come on. Yan. Kunin, pick upin namin yung mamaya. Yeah, sa Biki. Yeah. So kung marunong pa kami maghagis ng net, ang dami, oh.
But this is good for the side for fishing too, huh?
Yeah. That's good for the bit. You can use for the bit, that one. You can use. Oh, yeah. Nakawala pa. Yun. Nakawala. Ganito lang, para ka lang naglalaro, oh. Para ka lang naglalaro. Yan. Naping ko lang sila. Hindi ka na lugi niyan, oh. Diba? Eh? Grabe.
This one is also good,
Diba? Grabe. I like that.
You like it?
I like this. I like this. I like this. Relax. Huh?
But here the cast net here. But I need to see the tamban.
You can find the tamban here?
Can you see? Sometimes you see the tamban.
Alright. So yan, that is, what is that? That is the, no, I mean that building?
Aquarium.
Aquarium.
Yeah, I see.
Let's go or what? Where? Tamban? Wait. I'm very excited. Right. So, dadahan tayo. Dahil alam na natin na medyo very good spot. Oh, see, look at that. A lot of skin. So, even it's rain, so we can hide this area. Huh? Even it's raining? Where? Nelson said, he told me, yeah, Tamban is here. See, jumping. See, look at that.
Where?
Oh, small one. Oh.
Ah, that's why I told you like that. Later you come in on. See?
I put lights. It's coming.
No, too much.
Wait.
See, take it.
Wow.
Just scoop on it.
Wow.
Scoop on it.
Wait, the scoop inside my bag.
Just scoop on it.
Wait. Wow.
Just scoop on it.
No, just.
Yeah. Slowly. Yeah, slowly. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Hey, let me take my bag.
Wait.
Small bag.
Wow, ang dami isda. Where is my lights? Hey, give me the lights.
No, I'm holding the shot for you because
That's okay. Like this.
it's too much. Slowly. I get point for you. So. There also.
Come.
This one.
It's coming later. Wait.
Oh, si tambang. Too much tambang.
Huh?
No.
Wait.
Because it's just too much. You see? No. Correct?
No, use the sabiki. Wait.
No, I want to use the net.
Wait. Towards here. Wow, look at that. Wow, very fresh. With the lights. Damn it. Uy, see, look at your bag. How come? Careful. Use the line, your line.
Okay. That's my room. Oh no, back.
Grabe, ang daming isda. Oh, daming tamban, oh. Sintalunan. Oh, hiya.
Later.
God. Dami. Ang dami. Nahihirapan ako. Come on. Here, down. Wait, see? Tamban's coming. Oh, see, look at that. Oh my God.
You must have money.
He coming with the lights or not?
No,
Baba,
you see the right-
come on.
You see the right? It's still in the bottom. You see?
No, here. The small one.
Because the small one. This one for
Dilis.
the fresh one. Huh? I told you just slowly.
Every night.
Yeah, I told you.
my God.
Season na. No, coming. The tambang.
So next seasons, next month, nothing.
Yeah, until September.
Like this?
Yes.
No, it's better we fish the tamban now.
No, catch this one. This one we go. This one first. Then the tambang no one.
No, use the sabiki, then I will catch the small one.
No, you want me to use the net?
No, we put like this. He's coming, I think. Not too much, There. Yes. So, ganito ang paghuli namin sa...
Later you like that only now.
Yeah. Later. I play. Yeah, use the sabiki now. Give me. Grabe. Ito, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang dami, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Dami, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Very fresh. So, ganito lang paghuli ng isda. Daming tamban, oh. Kuha natin yan mamaya. Oh,
Wow.
what can you say? So much.
Romeo. You say,
Let's go.
Yeah.
Tingnan.
Or maybe my face also.
Everything. See?
Oh shit, too much.
Daming tamban huli namin, oh. Wait. Alright. Oh. Wala. Tapos na. Grabe. Oh, ang dami kong huli. Dami kong huli.
Oh,
Yeah,
10 kilo heavy. 5 kilo lang.
maybe.
5, 7.
It's very heavy, Maybe this one.
Oh, this one put here.
There.
Not the net. I put inside.
There. No?
30. No, I put the.
Then, the fish. Where you put? Tapos na kami. Uwi na kami. So, ang dami na may huli. Ang bigat, oh. Where we put?
Huh?
There, in the front of you?
Yeah.
How? Okay, after South Coast, nothing fish,
Why? Sapa nothing fish?